keep it down really perfect. Row 1, I need your hands folded in 3, 2, turn and fold. 1, quickly. And 0. Caitlin, why don't you come up and be Tylese's partner? And Armani, come up and be Peyton's partner. Thank you. Grab your pencils and move. Fold your hands. Fold them. Keep them folded. Jalen, sit up. All the way up and fold. Deductions, doesn't fold. Take a paper and pass, my friends. When you get it, you may put your name on it.
That should be the last pencil that I hear dropped. If you're holding onto your pencil and protecting your materials, it shouldn't drop. So make sure your pencil is in a place where it won't drop. In 3, 2, and no other pencil should drop. 1 and 0. Thank you.
All right, my friends. Yesterday, we learned a big connection yesterday. What was it? What was it? Peyton? Oh, yes, we learned about variables yesterday. That's fold. That's any letter or number, excuse me. That's any letter or symbol. J-Shot deduction, I'm talking, you're not. Any letter or symbol that takes place for an unknown number. Guys, that's on our poster from yesterday. Our poster, we ran out of room over here. Our poster from yesterday is over there. Yes, everyone's tracking the poster from yesterday. Track me. Track yesterday's poster. Track me. Great. Yesterday, we also learned that multiplication and division are connected. How are they connected? How are they connected, Caitlin?
They both need equal groups.
They both need equal groups. They're both equal group situations. Very nice. Okay, today we're going to talk more about ways Jay-Sean fold. Row 2, friends, fold. Row 2, friends, fold your hands. Cameron, track me. James, deduction, fold. Today we're going to talk about all the ways we know how to represent division problems. How can we represent division problems right now? We know 3 ways. What's one of the ways we can represent a division problem? Gavin? What? Oh, Sharon's a type of division. I was talking about ways we represent it. What are ways we can represent a division problem, Reese? We can make an array. That's one way. What's another way we can represent a division problem? Joseph. That's called making a picture. Making a picture. Yes, we can make a picture. We can draw an array. What else do we do to represent division problems? Peyton? Oh, but when we do that, what are we making? A division sentence, guys, we call those equations. Say equation.
Equation.
Yes, equations. We can make arrays, pictures, or equations. Today we're going to learn a new way to do that called a tape diagram. We're going to use a tape diagram with division. A tape diagram right here, guys. I already wrote the definition for us. A tape diagram is a visual model that shows how the parts relate to the whole. For multiplication and division, you're tracking my poster. Row 2, you're tracking my poster. Row 1, you're tracking the poster. Gavin, deduction, put your pencil down. For multiplication and division problems, they show the total, the group, and the amount in each. So I'm going to have you see, I'm going to see if you guys remember how to make a tape diagram and then use it for division. Let's look at our problem. Rosie used a total of 8 lemon slices to make iced tea. She puts 2 lemon slices in each cup of iced tea. How many cups of iced tea does Rosie make? Use a tape diagram to represent the story. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to see if you can figure out how to make a tape diagram for division. You may begin with your partner. Let Darren get started. Get started. Are you ready to work? Yes, right. Excuse me. If you're not saying what I don't know, what do we know? Label what you know. Why is this?
Oh, so what? Oh, now see if you can figure out what else.
Excuse me, whisper voice with your partner. No, you're going to try to draw a tape diagram. Okay. Oh, iPad, your voice is up and your pencils are down. I need 5 more pencils down. Let's talk about what we know in this problem. We know 2 parts for this problem already. What do we know? Reese, what's one thing we know? Oh, hold on, Reese. Your friend's talking means you are not writing. Your pencils are down. Your hands are folded. You're tracking your friend who's sharing. Great tracking, Noah. Great tracking, Armani. Yes, go ahead, Reese. What do we know? Oh, okay, so it says in the problem, Rosie uses a total of 8 lemon slices. So what does that tell us? What does that tell us, Jalen? I'm starting louder. It tells us that, raise your hand if you agree that 8 is our groups. Hands down, raise your hand if you think 8 is something else. Peyton, what do you think 8 is? Turn. You're tracking Peyton now. Why do you think 8's our total, Peyton? Oh, okay, it says Rosie used a total of 8 lemon slices to make iced tea. So what's 8? It's our what? 8's our total. Raise your hand if you agree with Peyton that 8's our total. Hands down. Hands folded. James, go to the X. Let's try again. Peyton thinks our total is 8 because of what it says in the problem. Raise your hand if you agree with Peyton. Hands down. Okay, it looks like we agree. Our total is 8 lemon slices. What else do we know from this problem? What else do we know from this problem? Track karma. Why? Why do you think 2's are on each, Karma? our total. What am I missing? What am I missing, Tylese? My groups. I don't know that yet. How can I write an equation with a variable? Cameron Aaliyah needs to get in her desk. Ooh, okay, Armani's feeling great. Armani, pencils down. Check Armani, what do you think, friend? What do you mean? Tell me what you're thinking. Are we going to do a multiplication or division problem? You want to do a multiplication problem? Okay. So what are we going to write? Oh, well, a multiplication problem is group times amount in each. So what should my multiplication problem look like? Can I use, yeah, I like your thinking. Can I use C for a variable because we're looking for cups? Okay, great. C times 2 equals 8. Could I write this as a division problem now? Put your pencil down, Jason. Jennings, you're feeling it home. Okay, who's brave? Who thinks they can tell me how to write it as a division problem? Jason. Tell me why. Tell me why you think that. Go ahead, Jason. What do you mean? Why did you write 8 divided by 2? What's 8? Who can tell me? What's 8? Noah, what's 8? 8's my total. Why did I have it divided by 2? Cameron. It's not our group. It's our what? It's our amount in each. Great. So now I have to draw a picture. Guys, I think we're confused on what a tape diagram is. A tape diagram, think of it as a long piece of tape. So I'm going to draw it out like a long piece of tape. Do I know my groups? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Do I know my groups? No, I don't. Hands folded. What do I know? Only 4 people, hands down. Hands down. What do I know? Joseph. And what's our total? 8. And what else do we know? What other part do we know, Charlie? Our amount each. I'm going to start like this. 2, I'm going to close it off. What did I just make? What did I just make, Rajiata? There's 2, and then when I close it off, what did that make? A box? Oh, we can use that box as what? What data plan? A group. I haven't got to my total yet. I want to see you draw something like this, but get to our total. Go ahead and finish this first problem. Finish this first problem. I want to see you drawing like this, but getting all the way to our total. Yeah. Scoot in. Stop. Yeah. Nice. See what your partner gets at. It's nice, Joseph. You can see it. Yeah. Okay, tell me your partner. Deduction for both of you is how you feel your new pencil. Pencil down and folded. Nice. Points for my ladies in row 1. They had it right away. Perfect. Let's look at my friend Jaden's paper. Jaden, explain deductions. Your voices are up. Where's your pencil? Put it on your desk and hold your hands. Everyone on track, Jaden. Jaden, what'd you do? So after you do this first one, what'd you do then? Do not, and then what? Do it, why? You're tracking Jaden. Yeah, how many goes in each group? Everybody, how many goes in each group? Okay, so 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many cups did we get? How many groups did we make? How many cups did we get, Karma? 4. 4 cups. Okay. Now let's try one more. Hands. Both.
Can I ask you a good question, Ms. Flatback?
Yeah.
Track me back to your scholars. I see one scholar in the third row got her head down. Track me because I want to see your beautiful eyes. There they are. Thank you. I noticed the new tape diagram, and I thought when you made a tape diagram, you can make as many boxes as you want. Like I thought that you could make 7 boxes, 8 boxes if you want. Track back up at the front. Why can't I make like 5 or 6 boxes? I want to make more boxes. Why can't I make 5 or 6 boxes? Why can't I make 5 or 6 boxes? Karajiana. What's telling me how many boxes I can make in this problem? Because I made 2 and then I made a group, I made another 2 and I made a group, and then I made another 2 and made a group. How did I know when to stop with this problem? Yes, you're right over there, sir. Track me, Tim, over there. Track me. You guys are too slow. Track me over there. And what do we call that? All? What's the special word we use in math when we mean in all? Starts with a T. The total. What was my total on this problem, everybody? 8. So can I keep making groups after 8? No. Okay, track forward because I know you're about to try now.
Okay, hands. Great. Let's look at number 2. Miss Ulrich puts 21 paper. Fold. You're not ready. Fold. Row 3. Sit up. Fold. Daria, deduction. Fold your hands. Jay Sean, deduction. Put your pencil down. Row 1. Nope. Sit up straight. Row 1's not ready. Row 2. Almost. I need all hands folded. Everybody unfold. Fold right away. Yes. And then keep them folded on the desk. Perfect, row 4. Keep it like that. Row 1. Straight down. Miss Ulrich put 21 papers in 7 piles. How many papers are in each pile? Think about what the problem tells you, then try to solve it. So go with your partner. You have 2 minutes. Okay, come on. Your partner. James, you're working with your partner. Come on, get started. Work with your partner. Great, Elise and Caitlin went to work as partners. Jaden and Justin went to work as partners. You're working. What do we know? Write what we know. Looking at our paper, what do we know? This is probably tell us. Okay, we're going to do tape diagram. We're doing tape diagram. I'm in the middle of the room. Track me. Row 1, track me. Cameron, deduction, track me. James. Guys, we're doing tape diagrams. I see your beautiful pictures, That's right, that's not what we're doing. We're doing tape diagram. Go back and make a tape diagram. Go. Well, it's 7 or start with 8. Yep, then why don't we make 7? That'd be good. Yeah. This is not a tape diagram. Go, run it back to the different day. Why? What? My friends, it's our timer. Pencils down. Voices up, pencils down. Harvard, pencils down. When you hear the timer, your pencils go down and your voice goes up.
Could you put like a secret amount of seconds back on the clock? And this time, I want to see if it's the boys who are going to have a pencil down or the girls. Boys, if you think it's going to be you, say us. If it's going to be girls, you say us. I know, actually, girls, you're tough too. You should say us. Put a few seconds on the clock, press 5 back. Let's see if it's going to be boys. Let's see if it's going to be girls. Who's going to be the fastest? Hands have to stay folded.
Jalen, fold. Nice. Every time, just like that. You hear the timer, voice up, pencils down. Okay. What do we know in this problem? What parts do we know? Gavin, what do we know? Stop. Cameron. Tate. Stop. James. No, your pencil was down. Put it back down. I'm sorry, Gavin. Can you say again? What do we know? Hold on. Deduction. Stop making noises. Track Gavin. Silent. Oh, okay. So you said 21 papers. What is that? Total? Okay, so I see 21 papers in our total. And Gavin, you said that we have 7 groups. Why do you think we have 7 groups? Put your pencils down. 7 piles, yes. Jay Sean, deduction, voice off. 7 piles, guys. Terry, pencil down, track me. Hands folded. Bring back super straight. Fix it. Nice, Peyton. Super straight back. Always, guys, at least super straight back. Our scoop all the way in. Our chest is to the desk. Scoop all the way in, Armand. Our hands are tight on our paper. They're not moving. My ladies in row 1, perfect. These 2 rights, Jada, fix it. Tight on your desk. Daria, sit up. Daria, go to the X. Jaden, on your desk. Leave them there. Gavin says there's 7 groups. Raise your hand if you agree with him. Hands down. Raise your hand if you think 7's the amount in each. Oh, I only have 6 friends in this room with 28 votes. That's not okay. Hands folded. Raise your hand if you agree with Gavin that 7 is our group. Hands down. Raise your hand if you think 7 is the amount in each. Hands down. Who thinks, why do you think 7 is the group? Karma. Yes, you're tracking Karma. Terry. 7 piles, yeah. Think of piles. I'm actually thinking about piles of paper. So my group is 7 piles. What could my equation be with a variable in it? Caitlin. Tracking Caitlin. Hold on, Caitlin. I have most of the room needs to refold their hands. Fold. On the desk. Palms touching. Tracking Caitlin. Track me. Track Caitlin. Your hands don't move. Track me. Terry, just actually close your hands. Noah, Gavin. Oh, excuse me, not Noah. Track Caitlin. What do you think?
I think it's 21 divided by 7 equals square.
Sure, square definitely works because it's a variable. Sounds good. Now, my tape diagram. I said I know my groups and my total. So how am I going to make my tape diagram? Who's going to be ready? Try not to paste it. James, put it down. I'm going to 7 in each. What do I know, Peyton? Okay, what else do I know? 7 piles of paper. So how should I be doing? Should I be filling them out in each, or should I be making boxes? Try to tell your partner. Go. Okay, let's go now. 3, 2, sit up. Hands folded. Sit up. 1, tracking me with your hands tight like Kaden. And 0. What should I be making? My dots or my boxes? Reese. What do I need to do first? Why do I need to make my boxes first? Graziano. Hold. Try to Graziano. Nice. Can you say that loud, Graziano, so everyone can hear you?
You need to do boxes first because your groups go first.
Well, we know our groups, right? We know our groups, so we have to make what we know. So then, how am I going to put them in? How am I putting those dots in? Gavin? I'm going to put them in 7 boxes, but am I just going to put like a few in this box and then a few in this box? How am I putting my dots in my boxes? Joseph? Until I get to what number? 1 dot at a time. So I do my first 7. What box do I go to? Do I just pick a random one? Reese?
No, you gotta go back to the first one.
Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
This time I think I did this one.
Sure. Start. Okay. Now we get to a total of 21. So what is my amount in each? Hands down. Track the poster. What is my amount in each? Hands down. Everyone track the poster. What is my amount in each? Cameron. No, what is my amount in each? Peyton. 3. Tell you what. 3 dots, what do those dots stand for? 3 what?